Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to another video. It's Golitech, and today we wanna see, I would say, one of the most powerful dashboards in IT world. And yeah, you are right. This is Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Yeah, so I believe many people, so not too many people in each organization have access to this kind of platforms. So this one or security.microsoft.com, especially this one, yeah, admin.microsoft.com, because basically you can control everything in your environment here. Yeah, so this is the first place for the global admins or the owners of the organizations, and it's really important and critical. Yeah, so I wanted to show you here how it looks like, so what we can do here. And because it's really, I think, unclear for many people, and many people just have heard that, even IT people. Yeah, so we just have heard, okay, admin center or Microsoft admin center, we should work on that, should change it there, we don't have access, it's a long way to get access there, and something like that, right? And that's why that's we can here, we can today see together here, right? And I would say let's get started. And as you can see here, admin.microsoft.com, right? So basically everything here. Yeah, so as you can see here, uh, you can see different tabs and different things here. And here, if you click and show all, you can see admin centers. Yeah, we go there later, but let's start here. So this is basically the home page of your admin center. And yeah, it is showing admin center 365. This is the cloud shell if you want to do scripting. This is the admin app for mobile, so if you want to have it there. This is your notification here, and this is the setting of the dashboard, so you can see change the temp, change the language, so the password. And here, if there is any hint, any question, any help, and this is your account here, right? Here in the left, so when you click here, you see Microsoft 365, Copilot, Outlook, OneDrive, Word. So basically different solutions or different applications. Yeah, different applications from Microsoft 365. Here you can see, you can hide the dashboard or the toolbar here, and then you can bring it back. And now let's go to these tabs. This is the Copilot one, so the configuration or the setting about the Copilot of your environment. And here you can see the price, the stuff that you have used. Here you can see the agents that you have configured in your environment. So for me, it's a test tenant, so everything is by default, so I haven't changed it, and I'm going to delete this after this video. So this is just a test tenant, right? And this is the setting of the Copilot, so in the environment, so which applications have access to Copilot. So you can see here Microsoft Windows 8. And yeah, it's asking for the feedback. As I said, I just created this and I'm going to delete it. So it's the test environment. So these are the configuration regarding Copilot. Here are the users, as you can see, the contacts, guest users. So if you want to add someone here, for example, active users, you can see here, and then you can delete them or add any users or the users in your environment, so you can invite them or delete them or create new people there. And here you can see guest users, here you can see deleted user, and then here's contact. Then the next one is teams and groups. So you can see here teams and groups, so they are default teams and groups, and that you have in your environment. You can see the example one, so retail, SAC teams, sales and marketing, so these things. And the next one is the role. So when you want to assign a role to someone here, you can assign the roles. So also you can see almost the same configuration in Intro ID as well, but here you can also access them. And after that, you can see the resources marketplace. If you want to order something from Microsoft, you can come here and you can order the different plans, different products of Microsoft here for your environment. Here is the bidding information, licenses that you have, the products that you have, and accounts, billing method or payment method, everything here. So as you can see, it's a test one. I have it here. Microsoft 365 E5, the most comprehensive license. And after that, you can see support. Here is the setting, the domains, organizations, and everything regarding the setting of this dashboard. Then we have some reports. You can see adoption reports. So for me, it's empty, so there is nothing there. And then you can see the usage, what you have used. So basically, I have nothing, I just created. And you can go to the health dashboard. So here there is service health. Yeah, there are different services here. Some the default to test things which are here, you can also check them here. And the good thing, or the other part of that, which is connecting to all the Microsoft products you have, yeah, this one goes to security.microsoft.com. yeah, so security.microsoft.com, and which I will create another video just for this platform. So this is basically Defender XDR. Yeah, so the whole dashboard is here. I will create another video for that one. And this is Microsoft Purview, Microsoft Intune, Microsoft Entra ID, Azure, Exchange, SharePoint, Teams, so everything here. Yeah, so all the organization stuff, so the platforms, the service, the tools that you are using, you can see all of them here. Yeah. So basically, I wanted to share with you this idea, or this mindset, how it looks like. So now you have a better understanding, better imagination of this platform, and better vision about it. So it means when you are talking regarding Microsoft Defender solutions, or Microsoft products, or Microsoft Azure ID, Entra identity, and different things, so you know what this platform is. Yeah, so specifically this one, Microsoft 365 Admin Center, which you can control everything, and obviously you can jump to other platforms as well. As I said, Microsoft Security XDR here, Purview here, Intune, so endpoint management here, Entra ID and identity is here, so Azure, so the cloud computing solution from Microsoft, and Exchange server, SharePoint servers, and everything here. And the last one, all domain, you can see all again together here. Yeah, so Azure portal, Exchange, Intune, and 365 apps, and basically all other Microsoft solutions. So just drop me in the comment which products you want me to talk more about them, or which products you want me to show about them, because this is a environment that we can collaborate to each other and with each other, and I can share with you different dashboards, because maybe in your company you cannot see these dashboards. For example, admin of Microsoft, you cannot see that most probably in your company. So let me know whatever you are interested in. I try to bring new videos and talk about them. And of course, for these platforms here, I have already some videos there, and I'm going to create some other videos as well, yeah, for the different solutions of Microsoft security platforms. Yeah, I hope you like this. So let me know in the comments your feedback, your question. I would be happy to help you. And yeah, I wish you a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. So please, and also please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yeah, I really need your support, and it really gives me motivation. Yeah, so then please subscribe my channel and like this video. Take care. Bye bye.